When the good guys came a-riding in, folks wondered what they'd do. Would they really shoot the prices down while cars were still so new? The White Hat Special was their plan, a sale that's really smart. The good guys knocked them prices down on White Hat Special Dart.
Oh, the White Hat Special.
A special car.
Gonna save you dough.
At a special price.
Oh, the White Hat Special.
They've done it again.
Keeping prices low.
The Dodge Boys White Hat Special Dart is selling at a special reduced price. You get options like vinyl top, deluxe wheel covers, white walls, and many others. Follow the good guys and see the White Hat Special Dart today.
See the White Hat Special. You'll find the prices low.
See all the White Hat Specials at the Dodge Boys near you.